It is October unto or, and I'm at the Ott Street station in Bloomington making videos of blue line trons. And trons are fucking cool. This is my very first videos of trons in or K. I got new trons in the video last time, but I had to wait 11 minutes between new trons. Hopefully it'll be...
A southbound blue line train to Mall of America is arriving on...
Trons are... Oh shit, I gotta get further back so I can get the tron to fit. Oh god. I don't have the advertising shit on this tron, like the other tron. Oh, and my fucking pants are falling down. I hate it when my pants fall down when I make a video. If my pants fall down, an old man might pull down. Whoa! A plane and a tron, or a plan and a tron. The tron is pulling out of the station. He said pull out. Yeah, he said pull out. And you can see the tron go around like that. There's supposed to be a tron. Now I'm going the other way, and I wonder if that's going to be delayed. You can see the tron go around like that. Maybe there'll be trons. Well, I hope so. There's no one here. I think everyone left. Sometimes people are assholes and they gotta harass me for making videos. And they're fucking idiots. They feel that their privacy is being threatened if I make a video. That's what people do. They are not aware that the surveillance scammers are a much bigger threat to their privacy, but people are fucking stupid idiots and you can't get that through. Okay, they said a tron going downtown would be a plane. And then the moon is in the video. The moon is over there. There was an eclipse of a lunar eclipse. I think that's now 8 weeks ago. Time goes by so fucking fast now. Now when is the other tron gonna get here? Oh, I'm gonna get two trons in the same video. That is fucking exciting. To get two trons in the same video. Okay, I don't see the tron yet. So at least this will be a shorter video. I see the tron. I think it's the same tron that came by though. He said came. I think that's the same tron because it's got that advertising shit on it. As the tron gets closer, because it's fucking cool how you can see the tron like that. I'm gonna really turn this down to actual zoom size. And it's difficult to get the tron in the video unless I stand back over here. It won't fit. And I got the distortion kind of blocks it as well. Oh, wait a minute, it's going that... I could get closer to it. Oh fuck, I gotta hurry up. Get over there. Trons are fucking cool. It's exciting to get videos of trons. The Tron is pulling out of the station. He said pull out. Oh shit, how to go over there. I'm so glad I got two Trons in the same video. As always, I'm so glad I have Asperger's because I make the most interesting Tron videos in the world. Nobody makes more interesting Tron videos than I do. And if people don't like my videos, fuck them. People get to see my videos and hear my spoken words are the chosen people, even if they don't like it. And if they don't like it, it means they have a stick up their ass. But it gives them a chance to pull that stick out of their ass and turn cool. But there's a good chance that a bunch of diarrhea will come out. But it's well worth it because it's like having a colon cleanse and a brain cleanse. And once that diarrhea is out, that person will no longer be uptight, irritable, or bitchy. And they'll have an open mind. They'll be happy and they'll learn how to appreciate and enjoy people like me. My trip to Atlanta is coming up. I don't know. There's a lot of assholes and trash there. I hope. I don't know if I'm gonna make very many videos of Martyr-trons or how I'll do it. But hopefully I can get some trons in while I'm in Atlanta. It's less than 8 weeks away, and preparing for a trip is a fucking nightmare, and it's fucking time consuming. I got a lot to do.